Good morning, students. I hope you will be fit and fine at your homes. Due to unstoppable coronavirus, we are unable to attend our daily class. That's why we are meeting through our this live class. Being an English teacher, we are taking our English subject class today, and this class is based on paper format. Yes, listen it carefully. Today we are just going to discuss regarding our paper format first. It means total English, and in your easy language it is complete grammar paper. Just through this paper, students are just being panic. It is a grammar paper and how to overcome this, how to excel. So I would like to overcome your tension just through this small video class. I hope you will listen it very carefully. The intention behind this class is that definitely all students are solve the paper very carefully, but they are unable to manage their time. So I'll help you through this time management, how to overcome this paper and to excel also. So hope you guys will go through me. Be ready with your English paper first, specimen copy. Then I'll help you how to manage and how to overcome this. Are you ready, guys? Yes. Let's come on that. Before going to solve that paper, I would like to tell one more thing. Insist on the matter. Before going to start this paper, the exam hall, we are getting extra 15 minutes. How to utilize that? Definitely you are right. These 15 minutes are given for reading. But how to utilize instead of that? Yes, right after reading that, you have to utilize, apply your strategies, your planning within this 15 minutes, how you will easily solve your paper and secure your 5 minutes to give a overlook on that panel paper. So I'll help you guys, don't bother about that. So let's come on that very first paper. Very first question. So this first question is belongs to composition, where 300 to 350 words limits also given, and this question has complete 20 marks. And according this, I would like to there you have to spare 30 minutes on the same question. Here 5 sub topics will given, and just I told you whatever where we are getting that 15 minutes, you have to utilize that 15 minutes. You have to select the correct topic where you are very much comfort to write, to express your views. So select only that topic, and these 15 minutes are very essential to select that topic here. I hope you will select that correct topic here. Now let's come on that very second question, which will run for 10 marks, and where we have to spend 20 minutes. Here this complete question is based on letter writing. You know that letter writing has two types, formal and informal. That both pattern will be given here. So you have to select any one where you are very much easy or comfort, select that one, and with the given instruction, given format, you have to solve this paper question also. Now the time is of question number 3rd. It is a new type of question where we are just writing a new type of grammar. That is very first question 3rd A is based on write a notice, and question number 3rd B is based on email writing. Through this notice writing, you have to prepare yourself for that notice format, because through this notice we are conveying that very essential data, information or the celebration. So definitely through this format we can't complete that. Email is the current process. We are just following this email in our current life. So definitely we may also aware from the format. Without format we can't score good marking. So hope you guys will follow that given format with markings from our workbook. You will easily score excellent mark on the same question. Now here I would like to tell that on question number A and B, it means question number 3 is completely run for 10 minutes, and you have to you have to utilize, or you have to spend your 15 minutes, near about 15 minutes for question number 3. Now let's proceed onward on question number 4. This question will be a part of comprehension. Generally students are very comfort seeing a comprehension, they are being relaxed. Definitely doesn't mind here, but while solving this we have to fulfill even the condition. Yes, I would like to insist here, students, read the questions very carefully. Without reading, if you will apply your ideas or anything else, then definitely you will lose your marks here. So this question number 4, it has sorted out by 3 sub questions. Question number A, 4th A, where it will ask us meanings. Okay, definitely 3 words, definitely 3 words which are hidden with the line. That line will also given beside of the words. We have to find out their exact meanings by our side, and the condition will also given here. One word answer or short phrases will be accepted. So don't panic about this, because generally we won't have exact meaning of or the synonyms of the given word, so we may express our exact meaning for the given word. Question number 4 B, it is just a simple type, will be as in the question answer form. There will total 5 question will given, and this question number 4B will run for total 9 marks. Let's come on that C question, and I think it is very essential and a different new type of question for you. How we may say this? In the condition is like that. In question number 4th C, in not more than 50 words describe something regarding the syllabus para. So we have to fulfill this answer just within given word limits, 50 words, not more than. So students, you may very careful while solving this question with exact demanded answer. So it means this question will completely based on 20 marks, and you may go through that. Let's come on that question number 5. It may also run for 20 marks, and here according me, students, you have to spend your 20 minutes. On question number 5, which will run for 20 marks, and you have to spend your 25 minutes, not more than it, and that for that you have to practice more. So let's come on that question number 5. It is contended by 4 sub questions. A, where your which question is in the form of fill in the blanks. Just beside of that fill in the blanks, few words will also given in the bracket. So in the accurate form of the sentence, we have to select the accurate tense form of the given bracket word. So it is just based on your reading and your practice, which will run for 4 marks. Now let's time to tell about that question number B. This question will also run for 4 marks, and in the same format, fill in the blanks. I would like to tell you, students, this question number 5th B, is completely based on prepositions. Here you may guys prepare preposition phrases very carefully. Total 8 fill in the blanks may given, and each one carry half mark. In this way it will carry 4 marks. Now let's come on that question number 5th C. This question, the condition is like that. Join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and but so. So students, it is a part of sentences, transformation of sentence. You have to practice here, and how to join these given 2 separate clauses with the exact phrases or that conjunctions. This question will also run for 4 marks. And now let's come on that last 5th D, where this type of condition is given. Rewrite the following sentences according to the instruction given after each. Make other changes that may be necessary, but listen students, but do not change the meaning of each sentence. Here Total 8 sentences will ask you, and the more speciality or that more thing to tell by me here, that the starting or the ending of the words answer is already printed here. So definitely through the given ending or the beginning of the answer, you have to construct your answers. It will also based on your practice. Definitely we may uh, ta- uh, we may practice it throughout these classes if as will be continue onward. So in this way I have told you how to solve this paper, and with that exact marking. Once again I would like to insist here into very precise. Just think here on that. Question number 1, where which will run for 20 marks, where we have to spend 30 minutes. Come on. Question number 2, which will run for 10 marks and we have to spend 20 minutes. Question number 3, for 10 marks we have to spend only 15 minutes. Question number 4, run for 20 marks we have to spend 25 minutes. And last question number 5, will also run for 20 minutes, we have to just spend there 25 minutes. It means total for 80 marks we will spend our 115 minutes. Okay, definitely this paper will run for 120 minutes. So we are just secure here in this way are 5 minutes. So students, how to utilize that? Apply your strategies within, by just reading, by giving overlook, final checking. Just utilize your this last 5 minutes and just to fulfill that lacking points. Hope students you will follow this given instruction. So through this you may easily excel and be overcome your tension. In this way, hope you will follow the instruction. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a good day.